Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate your Instagram account on your iPhone or Android phone. This method applies on any phone you have. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application on your phone. As you can see, I created a test account just to show you how to do this. Now in your account you need to find this small icon, you need to tap on it once. Now here you want to open this account center. Now you tap on it once and here you need to find the account settings, and below that you will find the personal details, which you want to tap on it just once as well. Here at the bottom you will see the account ownership and control, which you tap once just as well, and here you have the choice of deactivation or deletion. Now we press on it once, we choose the account we want to delete or deactivate, and here we have the final choice, which is to deactivate the account or to delete the account. And deactivation of the account is a temporary process, which is the deletion of the account is a permanent process. So choose wisely. Now I'm going to delete this account or deactivate. I'm going to deactivate it and I'm pressing continue. Now after a couple of seconds you need to re-enter your password to confirm the ownership of the account, and after that you can press the continue and finally deactivate your account or delete your account depending on what you chose. If you found this video useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.